We've seen lots of thunderstorm activity over the northeastern and eastern part of South Africa on Thursday. On our satellite, you'll see that cloudy and wet weather, mainly over the eastern part of the country, with a few larger thunderstorms, hopefully bringing in some good rainfall amounts all the way through to Thursday night. Our satellite also shows a band of cloud in the Atlantic, and that's a cold front heading towards South Africa's borders. It brings in some light rainfall in the southwest, mainly on Friday morning, and a secondary front brings in the possibility of rainfall and cooler weather over the southern part of South Africa. We're expecting most of the thunderstorm activity to occur over the eastern part of the country on Friday, with a few isolated thundershowers as we head towards the central interior, fine and dry over the western part of South Africa. And there's a watch of the possibility of severe thunderstorms with large hail and damaging wind over the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as the western part of Mpumalanga. You'll see a predominantly southwesterly component to the wind across the country, with strong winds along the eastern Cape coastline, but with more of a moderate southerly breeze as we head towards Cape Town. Things remain hot for KwaZulu-Natal with highs into the 30s. We're forecasting scattered thunderstorms throughout the province, even extending through to the coast, with a watch of the possibility of severe thunderstorms over the western part of KZN. Thundershowers start off quite early on in the day over the interior part of the eastern Cape. We're expecting a cooler day, particularly over the western part of the province, with the possibility of rainfall for Port Elizabeth at 24 degrees. We're also expecting some rainfall along the southern Cape coastline, 24 for George and Mossel Bay. Rain is forecast over the southern part of the Western Cape. A mild day for Hermanus at 23 degrees, and we're expecting some morning rainfall for Cape Town and Longabon, both at 24. Dry but cooler over the western part of the Northern Cape, with a few isolated thundershowers expected over the southeastern part of the Northern Cape. We're also forecasting thundershowers throughout the Free State, with a hot afternoon for Welkom at 34 degrees. We keep in the mid-30s as we head towards Vryburg, 32 for Potchefstroom and Rustenburg, with the possibility of thundershowers for the northwest. A similar day for Limpopo on Friday, with mostly cloudy weather and isolated thundershowers. Things remain hot for the Lowveld, and a maximum of around 30 degrees is forecast for Polokwane and Zanin. 31 for Bombela, with a mostly cloudy day and scattered thunderstorms, particularly for the Mpumalanga Highveld. There's also that watch of the possibility of severe thunderstorms over the western part of the province. In Gauteng, we can expect a high of around 30 degrees for much of the province. Pretoria, though, warming up to 32, with mostly cloudy conditions and up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms. On Saturday, we're expecting rain along the east coast, with thundershowers over the northeastern parts. And by Sunday, we can expect a dry day along the coast with a warm to hot forecast, and thundershowers are expected for Gauteng, the northwest and the Free State. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.